How's it going, everybody? Today's episode is about Yum Brands. We're going to talk about Yum Brands and we're going to talk about Yum Brands China. So the Yum stock symbol YUM versus YUMC for Yum Brands China. Yum Brands China, even though has almost half the market cap, $18 billion market cap versus Yum $31 billion, they're growing way faster. They're opening twice as many stores as Yum Brands US. They opened 819 stores in 2018 versus 390 stores we opened here last year. So I think, but for interestingly enough, they're both trading at a similar PE ratio in 27 and 28 as of December 27, which is very interesting. It's probably a coincidence. So for those who don't know Yum Brands, I'm sure if I say Taco Bell, you guys all know Taco Bell. So Yum Brands has three distinct businesses: Taco Bell, KFC, and Pizza Hut. So Pizza Hut has been a laggard in US. Um, same store sales went down 1% versus Taco Bell's increase of 4% versus expectation of 3.5% last quarter. Last quarter they did bad because they were short 14 cents, mainly because of the 3% investment in Grubhub. And Grubhub stock symbol GRUB. Grubhub fell almost 40%, I think, in the last year or so. So they have a lot of competition themselves from Uber Eats, DoorDash, and so forth, Postmates and all. But I think if you were to invest right now, I would take Yum Brands China over Yum Brands. But next year, David Gibbs is taking over, so he's gonna replace Greg Creed. So maybe he'll turn things around. And I think this massive drop of last quarter is an buying opportunity, in my opinion. I'm gonna initiate a position in the next couple of days or next week. Again, I cannot recommend buy or sell recommendations, but that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I might get a little bit of Yum and a little bit of YUMC. We'll see. One funny thing is my favorite atheist comedian, Patton Oswalt, he called the famous bowls, he called it failure pile in a sadness bowl. If you ever get a chance, listen to his stand-up. He has a whole bit on it. It's pretty funny. Joey Watt, the CEO of Yum Brands China, is doing a fantastic job. She's doing a phenomenal. She's doing a fantastic job over there. That's my Trump impression. You get that right now. His mannerisms are so like standardized. He has this, and then he has that. He has that little thing he does. But yeah, she's on fire. Joey Watt, she's definitely. You should check out her annual report of Yum Brands China. It's fascinating how fast they're growing. But I'm still gonna focus on US Yum Brands as well, because I think this was just the 3% Grubhub investment was the main reason that the stock took a dive, and I think right now is a perfect time. Actually, today it went up a little bit. Let's see, it closed at 40. No, it closed at 102, right? 101.90 today. So it's flatlining, but it's starting to pick up steam the last couple of days. So broke the 100 at Thursday. So yeah, keep your eye on Yum Brands next year, and then just of course, focus on Yum Brands China for the rest of the year. Okay, I think that's about it, guys. By the way, did you see what happened to Tesla? Tesla's killing it. Tesla's killing it. You know why I get so excited? And I know this episode is not about Tesla, but I get so excited that the short sellers lose money who bet against Tesla, because they're shorting it based on valuations. But most of Tesla's valuations is in future expectation of its sales and the earnings. Do you understand that? Which means the investors are so loyal that the shorts, they just keep covering and making things worse and worse. So, and I don't want to get too much into it, but tech stocks totally on fire in December. Apple, Amazon, killing it. It was definitely a tech month this month. All right, guys, that's about it. I'm gonna end this video here. I think I covered everything, and I'm learning to look at the camera lens instead of looking over here, so I can make more eye contact with you. I'm learning as I go forward. Oh, one last thing. Taco Bell improved its drive-through time by 17 seconds because Americans are becoming more and more impatient. Oh my god, I'm having so much fun with this. Alright, guys, I think I covered everything. Yeah, that's about it. Alright, guys, I don't know which company I'm going to do the next video on, but stick around, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff.